What up, though? It's Papa Joe of Freak 313 Entertainment, Freak 313 Radio, and Freak313.com. This is, I think, my second unboxing video of new technology I've been trying. I do music production. I'm a DJ, video editing, things of that matter. But I love technology. I'm a whiz with hardware and software, computers. So I incorporated that in my DJ world. I used to use records, haul around crates of records. Now it's I haul around a computer, all my music and a controller instead of two turntables and a mixer. Uh, I got three little guys. I got five sons in all, but I got three little guys that spend a lot of time with me, and they see what I do and they like what I do. Uh, I've been using this Newmark mix track for 3 years, along with Cross DJ. So I'm familiar with. This isn't the first MP3 controller I've used. I've used the Behringer, I think it was 8000. I've used the Ion, and I've used another smaller Newmark mix track. So I'm not new to digital DJing by far. 10 years for sure. I've been dabbling around with playing with this music, external control, like a turntable. Like I said, my mix, great response. The Ion, Behringer, Newmark, all great response. I'm gonna explain that in a minute. I got a gripe also. This is a Walmart product. I ordered this from Walmart. I probably could have went and picked it up, but I said I ordered something that I could only get online, and I said I might as well order this too. 7 days or less, 6, 7 days. I ordered it for a reason. It came a day late, but it's still good. It still could have been used if it was a good product. Newmark, Mr. DJ, this is not a good product, just know that. Mr. DJ, MVDJ-4000. I don't know about their other products. I saw a couple of other smaller pocket DJ products that they make and look like they're popular. I don't know, but this particular joint right here, if it worked, this would be nice. It's got an external sound card. It's USB, work them songs off your computer. It's got a headphone jack and a microphone input. You could put a wireless microphone set right into this and broadcast into anything right out of this board with your computer. First gripe, Walmart. They delivered me a product that had been smushed. And you see this box, right? This is the MVDJ-4000 with the torn box, if you see. This is what came UPS, and basically it was wrapped in plastic, the box. It had no cushioning. It was wrapped in plastic, black plastic. I don't know if people here thought I was getting some type of freaky toy or not, but yeah, the box came in black plastic and no cushion. So something apparently fell on the box, and it's apparent with the hardware too. If you listen, that shouldn't do that because this wheel is loose. It's wiggling back and forth. This one doesn't do that, but this one, it does that. Besides that, this product been dropped or something dropped on it. The product itself is not responsible. I couldn't even do a simple scratch set on the Mr. DJ MVDJ-4000. If you work with buttons, you do loop points and all that, Q, sync. It's got a bass and treble for EQ. It's good for a starter. But for somebody who used them and that, for somebody who go back and forth using them, it's not good. It's shitty as hell on that computer. 2 computers. Real shitty response and lag time. It's a brand new product. I said, let me try it out. It was $79. I could have went with the Ion for $89. I know that was a good product, but I like the construction of this. It looked like it's a pretty solid product, but we see it ain't because something fell on it and it's all screwed up. Taking it back for sure, but I'm gonna end up getting my sons the smaller pocket-sized Newmark because I know Newmark makes a good product. Ion, Behringer, all those make good products. But Mr. DJ, I don't know about his other products. He got speakers and everything. But as far as controlling them MP3s on this computer, this is shitty. If it worked, it would be heaven. For real, I will invest in one myself, but you get what you pay for. $79, like I said. If you do your DJing through buttons, loop points, and all that, this is a good starter point for that. But if you want to cut and scratch, this is not the one. Don't buy it. Again, this is my unboxing video of the Mr. DJ MVDJ-4000 on May 25th, early morning, May 25th. It's hot as hell out here. May 25th, 2020, this is my unboxing video. Thank you for watching if you watch. And if you're looking for a product to start DJing, don't do the MVDJ-4000. Peace. I'm out. Oh, forgot to tell you too, be sure to look out for my next unboxing video. I played with this today with my son for his birthday. I got one just to unbox. It's the TDR Robin Pro drone. I wish I'd have took video today because it probably would have went viral. This boy ain't no joke and it's powerful. It goes a long way, but it's not a long range controller. But we're going to do a more extensive research and in-depth video on it in the next week or so. So look out for the TDR Robin FPV series drone unboxing video. Maybe a little flight once I learn how to control it. For sure. Thanks again for watching. Freak 313 Entertainment, Freak 313 Radio, Freak313.com. Go check it out. Peace.